All right, guys, welcome. Um, my name is Vinny, and I'm the creator of the cheat code system. Um, and what I try to do is constantly provide tools that's going to help you become a consistently profitable trader here in the market. Now, the cheat code is already excellent, and for me, I'm always trying to fine tune my strategy or fine tune how I can hold trades a lot longer than what I'm holding them right now, right? Because at heart, I am a swing trader. So what I've done is created a new and improved MACD. MACD is a great indicator for finding trends in the market. Okay, it's excellent at finding trends in the market. So I'm going to show you today the actual cheat code MACD, and I put together this guide here to actually show you the strategies you can use for scalping trend trades and also finding higher time frame trend trades. So we're going to go over those strategies here in this video. Okay, now I am going to make this MACD available for free, and in order to get this MACD, here's what you need to do. You need to join the 25 pip challenge. The link will be below this video. Okay, 25 pip challenge. Okay, it is totally free to join. Make sure you watch this video and you do everything it says in this video. Okay, again, make sure you watch this video. It's a short 7-minute video, and you do everything inside of the video. Okay, I'm gonna put your email address down here and click hurry. Once that happens, it's going to give you a link to join the Telegram group. Here's the Telegram group. Okay, and inside the Telegram group, you will get access to this ebook here, and also you'll get access to the new MACD, what I'm going to show you here in a second. Okay, so that is how you can get access to the new MACD indicator. Anyway, let's get back to this playbook. Okay, so the MACD trend trading playbook. Welcome to the MACD trend trading playbook, your guide to mastering trend trades using an improved MACD indicator. So whether you're a scalper seeking quick profits or long-term trader aiming to capture major trends, this playbook will provide you with the steps needed to find and execute high probability trades. Our strategy is built around the cheat code MACD, a powerful tool for confirming trends and optimizing entry and exit points. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use it. Chapter 1, understanding the cheat code MACD. Before diving into the strategies, it's essential to understand that this tool powers them. The cheat code MACD, unlike traditional MACD, which uses a 12 period and 26 EMA, the cheat code MACD is fine-tuned to enhance trend identification, signal accuracy. This makes it particularly effective in both lower and higher time frames. Okay, so let's get into it, guys. Scalping trend trades. Let's show you step by step how to scalp the market using the MACD indicator. So scalping involves taking advantage of small price movements, often with a single trading session. Here's how you can use the cheat code MACD to find and execute scalping trend trades. So here I'll show you an example of what we're going to talk about here in a second. Okay, so step 1, identify the trend on a 4-hour time frame. So how do we identify the trend on a 4-hour time frame? Well, on the 4-hour time frame, we look for price or candles to be above the 47 period moving average. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the chart. We are on NASDAQ on the 4-hour time frame, and we're going to turn on the indicator, and I'm going to show you the difference between the traditional MACD, which you see here at the bottom, and the cheat code MACD. Cheat code MACD is a lot more vibrant. It's going to give you buy and sell signals. Okay, so this right here, this SMA right here, is a 47 period moving average. Okay, so the first thing we want to ask ourselves is price above or below the 47 moving average? Well, we can see that price is above the 47 moving average, right? It turned blue, so the indication that price is bullish. Okay, let's go back to our ebook. Rationale: this confirms that the overall trend is bullish. If price is below the 47 moving average, it indicates a bearish trend. Okay. Step 2, confirm the MACD. Action: check if the MACD matches the direction of the 47 moving average. Okay. So if the MACD is also bullish above the signal line, it's in an uptrend, or bearish below the signal line, it's in a downtrend. It confirms the strength of the trend. Okay, so we're looking for basically a color match. Okay, so we can see that on the cheat code MACD, the signal line is blue. Okay, indicating that price is bullish, and we are above the zero line, so it indicates that price is also a bullish. Okay, now let's go ahead and get rid of this MACD here. Okay, now next step. Step 3, look for entry signals on the 15-minute time frame. So switch to the 15-minute time frame and look for a cheat code buy or sell signal, or confirm buy or sell signal into the trade in the direction of the MACD, as it indicates the continuation of the trend. Okay, and I give an example here of that. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame, and first let me mark off the area where we're looking at here. So here on the 15-minute time frame, between this area, we have several instances of where we can enter the market for a buy. So we got a cheat code buy signal here. Okay, we got a cheat code buy signal also right here. Okay, now also if I turn on the confirmation buys, those are also continuation. Okay, so you can enter at any of these confirmation buy signals here. Okay, the cheat code buy signal is going to give you where price actually pull back to. It's going to give you the best entry, but again, confirmation buy, it's also good to enter on when you don't get a cheat code buy signal. Okay, and we're just going to trade in direction of the overall trend on the 4-hour time frame. So the overall time frame on the 4 hours is bullish, so we're looking for confirmation buys or a CC buy to enter into the market. Okay, so that is how you find scalping trend trades. That's how you find scalping trend trades, and you can go back and back test this. It works beautifully. Okay, so here in this example here, we have a Monday trade, and we also have a Tuesday trade, okay, that we found. All right, so that's how you find scalping trend trades. Let's talk about chapter 3, higher time frame trend trades. All right, so higher time frame trades aim to capture more significant price movements and are ideal for traders looking to hold position for days or even weeks. So we're going to use a daily time frame to identify the trend. So step 1, identify the recent trend on the daily time frame. All right, so on the daily time frame chart, find the most recent CC buy or sell signal. All right, so let's go to the daily time frame, and let's go to USD CHF. Let me erase this. All right, so on the daily time frame, this is the current price action here. We're looking for the most recent CC buy or CC sell. Okay, so the most recent is going to be the CC buy right here. That is the most recent. Okay, that's step 1. All right, step 2, confirm the trend on the 4-hour time frame. So in order to do this, we need to look for the MACD on the 4-hour time frame to match the direction of the CC buy or sell signal on the daily time frame. Rationale: this confirms that the trend is consistent across multiple time frames, increasing the probability of a successful trade. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, we need to see price bullish on the 4-hour time frame. So let's go to the 4-hour. Okay, and we can identify that here on the MACD. Why? Because again, price was buying up and we are above the zero line here. Okay, so when price is above the zero line, that means price is bullish. Okay, and when price is below the zero line, that means price is bearish. So we are bullish on USD CHF. Whenever you see price above the zero line and you see a sell signal, that's just a pullback. Okay, that's just a pullback. Same thing when price is below the zero line. Whenever price is below the zero line and it's bearish and you see a buy signal, that's just a pullback until it crosses the zero line. Once it crosses the zero line, then price is officially trending in the upward direction. So we have established the trend on the 4-hour time frame and it matches what the daily time frame says. Next step, third step, is fine tune your entry in the 1-hour time frame. So action: move to the 1-hour time frame and look for a CC buy or confirmed buy to enter into the trade. Okay, rationale: this helps you time your entry more precisely, aligning the confirmed trend. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame now to find our entry. And here on the 1-hour time frame, we could have entered at any of these confirm buy or cheat code buy signals. So here, 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 and also here. All those areas are areas we could have entered into the market, okay, for us to follow the trend on the higher time frame. Okay, now where do we want to take price to? That's totally up to you, because if we go back to the daily time frame, we can see that the overall trend is bearish. Okay, it is, the overall trend is bearish. What price is doing now on a daily time frame is just a pullback. Okay, it's just a pullback. Now if price could continue to go up and break these highs here, but we don't know if that's going to happen yet. So it depends on how long you want to stay in a trade. Okay, you can always wait and see if price is going to continue higher, or if you're going to get a cheat code sell signal here on the daily time frame. And when that happens, you want to get out the market because you'll be going against the trend. Okay, then you can just enter into a sell and actually go with the overall trend of the market, which is bearish. All right, so those are two examples of finding scalping trend trades and also higher time frame trend trades using the MACD. Okay, the settings here on the MACD, let me go ahead and show you guys the settings. Okay, the oscillator line width will always stay the same at 3, unless you want to make it smaller. It's totally up to you, or bigger. Fast line length is going to be 11. Slow is going to be 34. Okay, and the signal smoothing is going to be 20. All right, on the oscillator MA, I use an MA, and then the signal line, I use an SMA. Okay, we don't really have to worry about the start, increment, and maximum. Okay, you can keep that the same. Also, style, you can change the colors to anything that you want. Okay, here's what I use as a color scheme. Okay, but you can change the colors to match your chart. And that's it when it comes to the MACD. Again, if you want this MACD, okay, if you want this MACD, guys, be sure to join the 25 pip challenge. It will be inside of the Telegram group. Link for the 25 pip challenge will be below this video. All you have to do is go to 25pipchallenge.com. That's 25pipchallenge.com. Thank you. let me introduce you guys to my number one trusted broker. They were acquired by they acquired LQDFX a couple months ago, and this broker is called PlexiTrade. Okay, they make trading very, very easy as far as trading MT4 and MT5. So if you want to trade with MT4 and MT5, definitely get with PlexiTrade. Zero commission. The customer service is excellent. They always respond within a reasonable amount of time. And you can reach them 24 hours of the day, 5 days a week. They offer 1 to 2,000 in leverage, and they have different trading accounts. Okay, very, very easy to register. With a micro account, your minimum deposit is $50. The silver is $300, gold is $300, and the platinum VIP is $10,000. Just wanted to show you guys real quick with the withdrawal process. Here's a withdrawal that I did on May 31st. Here is another that I did here just recently on June 11th, and I do post these inside my free Telegram group so you guys can see. Where is it at? Let's see here. I think I passed it up. But just wanted to show you guys that, yeah, here it is. Just wanted to show you guys June 11th was the last withdrawal I did with PlexiTrade. Fast withdrawals, guys. No issues with them. So if you guys are looking for a trusted broker, please get with PlexiTrade. Thank you.